Samsung HW R550 XL 2.1 channel soundbar. Review. The Samsung HW R550 has a decent overall performance. This 2.1 system setup can get pretty loud and will perform quite accurately. Its sound profile is slightly dark, though, as there's an overemphasis in the bass range while lacking a bit of detail in the treble, which some won't notice. However, even if the bar has pronounced bass, it doesn't get very low, meaning it won't recreate the deep thump and rumble of bass. On the upside, it can easily be used to stream content via Bluetooth from your smart devices. The HW's R550 is a budget soundbar system from Samsung's 2019 lineup, but has now been replaced by the 2020 Samsung HW T550. This 2.1 system setup doesn't have a dedicated center channel like the Samsung HW R650, but has more speakers than the 2.1 Samsung HW R450, which came out the same year. These two models are also the R550's main competitors, and it's also compared to some similar budget 2.1 setups like the Yamaha YAS 207. Key features: 1. Powerful bass, game mode. 2. 1 remote control, HDMI. 3. Surround sound expansion. 4. Wireless music streaming. 5. Samsung Audio Remote app. 6. Wireless connection with TV. The speaker gives you an enthralling experience at home, and its clutter-free design makes it very accommodating at any part of your home. You can also hear your preferred songs as the speaker has multiple connectivity systems, and the Bluetooth connectivity makes it possible for you to connect it to other media devices. Enjoy the ultimate audio and video experience without compromising on the design and decor of your home. Don't let wires get in the way of your bass. Set the soundbar with wireless subwoofer anywhere in your space and surround yourself with powerful, deeper bass. Samsung Surround Sound Expansion expands the listening area both sideways and up to emanate sound. Now you can enjoy great sound with truly immersive surround effects. Plug in your console and get the amazing sound effects you expect, right away. The auto settings optimize your sound to the game you're playing, while crosstalk cancellation technology removes distracting sounds, so you hear clear audio from the right direction to help you gain the advantage. Samsung Soundbar uses Bluetooth for easy wireless connections to other devices. Enjoy music from your mobile in top audio quality anywhere, no strings attached. You don't need several remotes for power, volume, and even the sound effects. You can control key soundbar functions with a Samsung TV remote through TV's UI. Control your soundbar with the Samsung Audio Remote app on your smartphone or tablet running on Android. Simply connect using Bluetooth to control all your key soundbar functions, and play your favorite song lists on your mobile device through one single app. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, this helped me to grow my channel. Also don't forget to click on the link in description, because that link may be the cheapest price for this product available in the market today.